Hello children, today we will learn how to write a letter. So let's get started. Children, first of all tell me what is letter? A letter is a conversation in written between two people. Okay, so what is letter? A letter is a conversation in written. Okay, and it is the most commonly used form of written communication, and all of us have to write a lot of letters in the course of our life for different purposes. For example, inviting people, placing orders, sharing joy or sorrow, making complaints, etc. And letters are an important way of keeping contact with friends and relatives, and they require effective writing skills. So, what is a letter? A letter is a conversation in written. There are two types of letter: uh, informal letter and formal letter. What is informal letter? Informal letter is written to friends and relatives. And what is formal letter? Formal letter is written to the editors of newspapers, businessmen, uh, offices, etc. And they are written for official purposes. So in your syllabus there is only informal letter. So let's see what is informal letter. Informal letters are exchange of information between people who know each other very well, like parents, friends, and other family members. And they are written to share personal information, make requests, give advice, offer gratitude, apologize, or to ask something or permission. So, there is a format of informal letter. So, this is a format of an informal letter. And you know, children, there are various parts of a letter. First is heading. So, in heading, we write the uh, address of the sender, and the address is written at the left hand corner of the page, and after it we write the date. And children, do not use comma or full stop anywhere in the heading, and you can write the date like that: date, month, year. So in the heading part we write the writer's name and address and date. Then we write the salutation. Salutation, what is salutation? It is a form of address or the greeting. It is written a little below the date and on the left side of the page. For example, dear sir, ma'am, dear father, dear mother, dear sister, dear brother, etc. So, after heading we write the salutation. Salutation, greeting a person by writing dear plus name. For example, dear Arun, dear Megha, dear father, etc. After it we write the body of the letter, and it is the most important part of the letter. And this is the main part of the letter and should be written in simple direct language. For each new point a separate paragraph is made. So in the body of the letter we write the message, or the content is always is the most important part of the letter. So write clearly your message in short sentences, and it can be written in one or more than one paragraph. For a new point, make a new paragraph. Okay, after it, after the body of the letter we write subscription or end. This will be in the form of yours truly, yours sincerely, your affectionately, etc. So it is written below the last line of the body of the letter on the left hand side of the page, and it depends on the kinds of relationship between the writer and the address. Okay, for blood relation you can write your loving son, daughter. For friends you can write your sincerely. Okay, so after body of the letter we write the subscription or end. After it the signature, and it must include the writer's name with or without the designation. In signature part we write it includes the writer's name with or without the designation, and it is put just below the subscription. Sign your first name or pet name in letters to close relation, but in letters to strangers write your full name as your sincerely. Okay, so this is the format of an informal letter. So there are some guidelines for writing an informal letter. How can we write the effective letter? Okay, so first point is no commas should be placed at the end of the lines in address, date, salutation and subscription. It means never use the commas at the end of the lines of address, date, salutation and subscription. And the format of the date can differ. It can be written as July 28, 2020 or as 28 July. It means you can write the month first, then date, then year, or you can write like first date, then month, then year. Okay. Next, the tone of the message should be personal and friendly. It means the language of the message should be clear. Next, the body of the letter should be clear, precise and coherent with appropriate grammar, spelling and punctuation. It means whenever you write the body of the letter, you have to be very careful about the grammar part, okay, and punctuation mark. So these are the guidelines for writing an informal letter. And so here is an example of your book. So let's see. You are Rahul. On your 10th birthday, your grandmother gifted you bicycle, and write a letter thanking him for such a wonderful gift. Taking help from the hints given below, write a letter in about 150 words. And here are the some hints. First of all, what we write, children? We write the sender's address. So here we write the address of the sender. After it we have written the date. After it we write the salutation. Dear grandma, how are you? I am fine here. I want to thank you for the wonderful bicycle you sent to me. I was very happy on getting such a nice present. Since a long time I was requesting Papa to get me a bicycle, but he kept refusing. I got many gifts, but yours was the best. Not only I, all my friends also liked it. I will go to school on the bicycle, and it will save my time. Grandpa, I will surely come to meet you and Grandma. Please write to me and convey my regards to her. So yours affectionately, Rahul. So first of all we write the sender's address, then date, then we write the salutation. After salutation we write the body of the letter, and after it we write the subscription or end, and last the signature. So children, this is the solved example of an informal letter. I hope you understood how to write an informal letter, and children, do practice of informal letters at your home. Thank you.